Now, the next thing is we talk about properly nourished. When you talk proper nourished, you got to eat a diet that energizes you. So keep a food journal and learn to self-evaluate how foods make you feel.
Yeah, I write down everything I eat. It's a way for me to gauge how much I'm eating. So I'll know, oh my goodness, am I overeating or am I undereating? Or am I eating the right nutrients? Am I eating balanced meals? All these things I look at, these things to ensure I'm not eating too many sweets or junk foods. So I keep a journal and that helps me stay on course.
And the beautiful thing, when you eat properly, and really it's a diet lifestyle that is focused on whole plant-based foods. I didn't say you have to cut out all the meats, but your main core foods are from the earth.
Yeah.
And you do that, you can eat as much as you want to eat.
As much kale as you want. Don't turn up your face at that.
Yeah, and the good thing is, you eat more kale and vegetables, you won't have constipation issues. You eat a lot of meat. I mean, some people who go poop once per month.
That's disgusting.
Man, that's sad.
Do you empty your trash in your house once a month?
Oh, man. Okay, that just, yeah. I take my trash out like 3 times a day.
Okay. All right, okay.
TMI.
But if you have a small trash bin and it fills up to the top, which 3 meals a day, you should fill up to the top. Shouldn't you dump that?
Well, it just keeps it moving, right? All the fiber gets moving, get the stuff you need, and all the bad stuff comes out. And really, it's not a lot of bad stuff besides like the insoluble fiber that's insoluble and some waste products.
And you'll feel good too once it comes out.
I feel great.
Tell me you don't feel good. You feel lighter. Come on.
Yeah, I could go down a whole different rabbit hole, but I'm not going to go down that talk. I'll say that for our youngest daughter.
Okay, what's another one?
The thing is, you're able to exercise. And when you exercise, it feels good because you have the energy for movement and you actually want to do it. If you don't do it, like, oh man.
You don't have the energy. It's a vicious cycle. You have to get started at some point. We've said this in other videos that we say you have to start slow if you haven't exercised in a long time. Start with stretching, walking, gentle yoga, something. Start somewhere, then build upon that.
Yeah, that's great.